The 2027 BMW R12G is here, and while this isn't a full redesign, BMW has introduced a subtle update that makes one of its most premium versions even more appealing. If you're a fan of retro adventure bikes with modern engineering, you'll definitely want to see what's changed. The biggest update for the 2027 model focuses on the exclusive Option 719 package. BMW has replaced the previous Option 719 Sandrover Uni Matt finish with an all-new color scheme called Frozen Brooklyn Gray Metallic. This new paint gives the R12G a more refined and premium appearance. Instead of the warm desert-inspired Sandrover finish, the Frozen Brooklyn Gray Metallic delivers a cooler, more aggressive look that perfectly complements the bike's classic rally-inspired styling. The contrast between the metallic gray bodywork, black mechanical components, and gold cross-spoke wheels creates a striking combination that stands out whether you're riding on city streets or exploring off-road trails. Apart from the new color, BMW keeps everything that made the R12G such a desirable adventure heritage motorcycle. Power still comes from the proven 1,170 cubic centimeters air-cooled Boxer twin engine. It continues to produce around 109 horsepower and 115 newton-meters of torque, paired with a smooth 6-speed gearbox that delivers strong low-end performance and effortless highway cruising. The bike also retains its long travel suspension, 21-inch front wheel, rugged chassis, and advanced rider assistance technologies including multiple riding modes, ABS Pro, dynamic traction control, and engine drag torque control. In other words, BMW didn't change the formula. They simply gave one of their most stylish adventure bikes a fresh new personality. For riders who appreciate exclusive factory finishes, the new Option 719 Frozen Brooklyn Gray Metallic could easily become the most desirable version of the R12G yet. So, what do you think? Do you prefer the new Frozen Brooklyn Gray Metallic, or was the old Sandrover Uni Matt the better choice? Let us know your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Motorrad27, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest motorcycle news and reviews from around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.